Are you wondering which platform, WooCommerce versus BigCommerce, is better for SEO optimization? If you're looking to make sure your online store ranks higher in search engines and attracts more organic traffic, then stick around, because we're going to dive into both of these platforms and see how they compare in terms of SEO optimization. And stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'll be recommending a competitor that could provide even better SEO advantages for your business. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about WooCommerce. As a plugin for WordPress, it offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to SEO. WooCommerce works hand in hand with all the powerful SEO plugins available for WordPress, like Yoast SEO, which gives you control over things like meta descriptions, titles, and XML sitemaps. This means you're able to optimize each page and product listing in a very detailed way. One of the great things about WooCommerce is the vast WordPress ecosystem. It offers nearly endless customization options, which is perfect if you want a more tailored SEO strategy. However, the downside? Without the right plugins or experience, WooCommerce can quickly become overwhelming, and if you don't optimize it correctly, you might struggle with SEO. Next thing, BigCommerce. BigCommerce has built-in SEO features right out of the box. This platform automatically generates clean URLs, creates sitemaps, and allows you to customize titles, descriptions, and product pages with ease. It also supports advanced SEO techniques like 301 redirects and schema markup, which can boost your chances of ranking higher in search results. BigCommerce is more user-friendly for beginners compared to WooCommerce because most of the SEO tools are integrated directly into the platform. The downside? Well, it's easier to use. BigCommerce doesn't give you as much control over your SEO as WooCommerce does with its open-source flexibility. Some users might find this limiting if they want to dive deeper into advanced SEO tactics. The third thing to consider is mobile optimization. Both platforms offer mobile-friendly themes, but Google's mobile-first indexing means that how your site performs on mobile can have a huge impact on SEO rankings. WooCommerce offers responsive themes, but the performance can vary depending on the theme you choose and the hosting service you're using. BigCommerce, on the other hand, places more emphasis on mobile optimization and provides fast, responsive themes right out of the box. This gives BigCommerce a slight edge when it comes to mobile SEO. Next, let's look at site speed. Site speed is a critical factor for SEO optimization. Google uses site speed as a ranking factor, and both platforms handle speed differently. WooCommerce speed heavily depends on the server you host your WordPress site on. If you don't choose the right hosting, your site could be slow, which negatively impacts your SEO. BigCommerce, being a fully hosted solution, generally offers better performance out of the box with optimized infrastructure for faster loading speeds, making it easier for users to maintain a high-performing site. The fourth thing to mention is content marketing. WooCommerce, thanks to its integration with WordPress, gives you full control over content creation. You can easily add blogs, articles, and other content types to help boost SEO. Content marketing is critical for ranking higher on Google, and WooCommerce gives you more options for integrating this. On the flip side, BigCommerce has a content marketing tool, but it's not as robust as WooCommerce. While it does allow blog creation, it's not as seamlessly integrated as WordPress, so you might find yourself limited if content marketing is a major part of your SEO strategy. The fifth and final consideration is the level of SEO support and resources available. WooCommerce has a massive online community, tons of tutorials, and extensive forums that provide SEO tips and tricks. However, because it's a self-hosted platform, you'll be responsible for managing your SEO more actively. BigCommerce offers great customer support and has a range of guides to help you with SEO, but the learning curve for SEO can be steeper than WooCommerce due to the more streamlined approach they take. So, what's the final verdict? Both WooCommerce and BigCommerce are solid choices when it comes to SEO optimization. WooCommerce gives you more flexibility and control, especially if you're experienced with WordPress and SEO plugins. BigCommerce, on the other hand, is a more user-friendly, out-of-the-box solution with built-in features that are easier for beginners to work with. But here's the thing, after trying both platforms myself, I found that there's an even better option out there that can give you an edge for your SEO optimization goals. If you want a platform that's not only easy to use, but offers even better SEO results with minimal effort, then I highly recommend checking out the free trial of the platform in the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available for our viewers. You'll see the difference yourself, and trust me, it'll be worth it. Don't miss out on this opportunity.